Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make mobile screen recording videos from your phone. And the difference is, you can do a screen recording video like this. So we do this on the browser on your computer, but you can also now with Podsplice, if you use the Android app, soon iOS, you can actually make all the tracks and actually record what you see on your native mobile phone, which is great if you're doing tutorials and showing how to actually use your phone for something. And I just made this video and uploaded it to Podsplice. But the idea is you get all the separate tracks from the video, and then you can actually, make a screen recording video, edit it, put the karaoke subtitles on afterwards. So it's a really cool way to do that because you get all the separate tracks. So you do a screen recording natively on your phone and then upload it to Podsplice for further editing. And in this case, I built an Android app before, so I show you how to, let's see, we'll zip ahead a little bit. Let's see. So this is actually a Norwegian interval timer that I made an Android app, and I show how to use it. So it's great if you have an app, if you vibe coded an app or whatever, you want to show a tutorial about how to do something on your phone. This is such a good way to show it because you're actually using your phone. You're not taking like somehow getting the footage or something not on your phone. Like if you're doing a tutorial about using your phone, it's good to actually have the screen recording on your phone. And you can do this natively in Android, but you don't get the separate tracks. So you can't, add your video, like your face and everything on there and then change it afterwards, add the karaoke subtitles. So this is why. So it uploads it to Podsplice and then you can edit everything right now. So I'm just going to show you. So it automatically transcribes everything. So these subtitles can go on. You can remove your face if you want to make a faceless video. But in this case, I'm going to show. I'm just going to make a short with the video that I made. It's the full length is 3 minutes and 18 seconds. So it's not too long, but it's pretty long for a short. But I am going to keep it, I think. In this case, a lot of times I don't, but I am going to edit a few things like the text. This was wrong. I'll change this to Podsplice. Let's see. Okay, let's see what else. I'm just going to read through it if there's anything else missing. Okay, that was actually the only edit I made. It just sometimes it messes up things like brand names or something, like Podsplice in our case. So you can get this on the Android App Store if you want the mobile app. It's actually free, but if you want to connect to Podsplice and use the editor here, you will have to have the premium version, but you can still use it and try it for free and get all the separate tracks. So I'll put a link in the description, but that's the idea. Oh, actually, here is one more too. Podsplice. Yeah, so it did mess it up twice. Not a big deal. Let's see. I'll just remove that. And that's it. So then there are settings up here as well. So you can change the color and everything of the subtitles. Maybe I will use a green this time, or maybe this one that looks kind of cool. I'll use a pink, and that's it. So you can decide how it looks. You can change even the way your face looks, to square, circle, whatever. Move it around, remove it if you want, but that's the idea. And then I just process the short. And even this video that I'm creating right now, which is a long in Podsplice afterwards, I can also convert this whole long form video into a short. So I made a video, I'm editing the video that I made. So I'm actually getting two videos right now. And then even afterwards, when I'm doing this tutorial on Podsplice, I can turn this into a short. So there's multiple layers. And the whole idea is on Podsplice, we make it easy to make a bunch of content, but then post it to all your social media channels. So that's the idea here. And now I'm just going to process it and then I'm going to post it.